Welcome all for the Lecture 3 series, Social Media Data Sources and APIs. What are the publicly available social media APIs? APIs is Application Program Interface. So through this APIs, we are going to have the data from the particular companies or organization for our research purpose or analysis purpose. So there will be a lot of publicly available APIs are available. Some of the APIs we have to pay and we have to use it. We are discussing about publicly available APIs. This publicly available APIs, the example, if you take a Twitter API, it helps you to get a tweets and user data to see what's trending. So with the API, we can lively monitor and we can see the progress of which is tweets are more famous and that and all we can do with the help of this API. This API will support to collect the data from the Twitter. So the CAPK will support. So when I developed some application, I want to access the Twitter data for some processing. Then I can support with the help of this Twitter API. This Twitter API will provides what are the things they will provide. It will provide the tweets, what are the user profiles, hashtags and mentions. This everything will be shared to the publicly available domains. It lets you track likes, retweets, and hashtags to understand the audience behavior. So if the particular tweets are more retweeted, that means that is very popular tweets. Or this particular tweet, more number of people are likes that tweets today. So that will be a trending for this. To understand the audience behavior, this will help. And also it is used for sentiment analysis and trend detection. So with the API, you can analyze your tweets in the real time to spot a trend and sentiment. So with this we can API, we can find which is a trending topic today and do some sentiment analysis for the topics. So for this, the publicly available APIs are more useful. The one of the API is Twitter. The former name is Twitter. Now it is rechanged as X. Social media data source and APIs. The second API is Reddit API. Reddit API lets you read a post and comments to see what communities are talking about. So it's Reddit one of the social platform. So with this API, what are the users they are sharing the information, their communication that we can see. Then you have a question, sir, it's a privacy, how we can see. They are giving this APIs, even though when you go for a particular platform, if I want to categorize this data, I want to have a raw data, I cannot get it from directly when I open the particular social media platform and I cannot collect it. So to collect the data for the available thing, it is a publicly available data. So you have a question, sir, when I am getting a API, whether they are getting the personal data, no, that and all they won't get it. Whichever is we given as a publicly visibility to all the people, that data will be collected with the support of the API. So the API plays a vital role to collect the data. It helps tracks upvotes, discussions, and trends across the subreddits. With the Reddit API, you can analyze the user activity and sentiment in the real time. So that's the purpose we are using this Reddit API. It provides a subreddit post. So this is one of the platform. You can explore this later. And then comments, what is given in the comments. It is useful for opinion mining. This API with the data what we collected, we can do some opinion mining. So what is the opinion of a particular topic about the people? And communicative analysis. It API usually return data in JSON format. Introduction to data scraping and data collection. So till now we have seen about Reddit API. So that API, okay, we are collecting. So what is the technique we are using there to collect it? That is called data scraping or data collection. E-commerce price comparison websites. Scraping used to track the competitor prices. So web scraping. What is a web scraping? Web scraping, we are going to collect the data available in the websites. You can see what is the data scraping. Data scraping is a process of automatically extracting the information from the websites and online platforms. If we want to find what are the price, you can just, the best example is there somewhere price comparison. You can see who the service provider one, this 2, 3. So comparative study. The same product in 2, 3 places, who is giving cheaper, who is giving more price. Or if I want to compare the features of a product, if I have a particular product I am going to purchase, what is the features I am having this X product and Y and Z. So both are similar type of product, but some slight change will be there. That and all will come with the help of the scraping, web scraping, or we can say the data scraping. What is data collection? Data collection refers to gathering a data from various online sources, including APIs, web pages, social media platforms, and databases. But scraping will be done with only in the web page. That is called, we can say, web scraping. Data scraping is automatically we are collecting data from different sources. Web scraping means we are collecting from the websites. That is called a web scraping. Introducing to a scraping and data collection. What is the importance? It's a foundation of social media analytics. So the scraping data collection is a very most foundation for our social media analytics platform. If we want to do any analytics, what is the first most thing we need is data. So without data, we can't find anything. If I have anything only, we can share to others. If not, we can't do. So that is the thing. We are going to collect the information. It enables a sentiment analysis, trend detection, and prediction. So it enables sentiment analysis. We are going to analyze what is happening now. Trend with the, what is the trend in the last 1 week or today's trend or for particular period of time which is trending, and prediction with the trending and sentiment analysis we are going to predict. So this trend is like it. So this product, it's like a product based. We can do this. This particular product will sell more or not. The last 1 month, this product sales are drastically down. That means it will give an indicator to the company. You have to increase your marketing strategies. If this particular products are selling more, then what is the user? Selling more, it will give the indication to the producer. This product is moving more. So which in their product company, they have multiple products. So which products are not moving fast, they'll reduce the manufacturing. They increase which is product is more selling, that they will increase the product manufacturing. That for that this will be used. The simple example. It supplies a real world data for machine learning models. There will be a lot of machine learning models are there that will give a data. That machine learning model will give a beautiful outcome, our expectation that will give. Where are the sources for collecting this? Social media platform, whatever we have discussed, all the social media platform, websites and blogs. Do you know website and blogs? Website is for a particular organization. They want to use blogs. It's a particular person. I want individual. I want to share my thoughts or opinion to others. That I can use a blogs. And forums and review sites. Forums review means if forum I will throw some question, they will answer that questions. Reviews, I can give a review for a particular product like that. What is the data collection method? Manual data collection. So copying data manually. One of the olden method is copying data manually. I can collect the data from the sources. So time consuming and error. When I'm collecting it manually, it will take a plenty amount of time, and also what time I'm collected, it should not be error free. Some errors will be there. So to this, you have a question that, so if I have errors, what is the problem? If I have errors, I won't get a proper outcome of my data. It's suitable only for small databases. Then automated data collection, it uses tools and scripts. So web scraping is one of the automated data collection method. It's used tools and scripts. It's faster and scalable. It preferred for large scale analysis. API based collection. So we have seen the previously Reddit API and Twitter API. So officially and structured access. It is official only. They itself provided the API key. It's secured and legal. Web scraping we have discussed now. It extracts the data directly from the web pages. Data scraping is from some sources. Web scraping from web page, we are collecting the data. It's useful when the APIs are unavailable. So when we need this, sir, already we have a question. Sir, I have API. Reddit API or like that, a lot of publicly available forums they are having the API. So I can access. Sometimes the API is not working. Then I can go for that method is called web scraping. Web scraping tools, it extracted data from the HTML web pages. Why HTML they are saying? All the web pages are mostly HTML supportable documents. It's parsing the content and storing in a structured format. Parsing means reading. It's read one by one, parse the data. Parse is just separating, and then it formed a structured data. The key components are target URL, HTML structure, data parser, and storage system. The common uses in this case is it's collecting tweets, reviews, and comments. The price comparison will be there. We discussed already. News aggregation. For this, I want to know if you are searching something or Google search all works on the concept of scrapping and crawling method. Beautiful. So that is a Python library. A Python library used for parsing the HTML XML documents. So parsing, I have a document, I want to parse it. What is the parsing? It's a splitting. After the splitting, we are going to do some analysis for my data. What are the features? It is easy to learn. It works in HTML. It tags and attributes. It supports a CSS, say, cascading style sheets. Select as. Advantages, it's a very simple syntax. It's ideal for beginners. This beautiful so library. It cannot handle the dynamic websites alone. It extracts the product review from an e-commerce website. So from the e-commerce website, I want to collect some information. That time I can use this beautiful SOAP Python library. What is a Scrappy framework? A powerful Python-based web crawling framework. That is a Scrappy framework. It is a fast and scalable. It should be very fast and it should scalable. If it is increasing the size, it will increase and it will collect the data. It supports a pipeline and middleware. Pipeline is a common platform where we connect all the devices. Middleware is somewhere for a security purpose. It handles a large datasets efficiently. The advantage is it's suitable for industrial level scrapping built in a data storage domain. What is the limitation? It's step learning curve. The example is crawling a news websites for a large scale article collections. Selenium for dynamic websites. What is Selenium? A browser automation tool that is called Selenium. It is used when the websites load data using JavaScripts. What are the features it has? It's a simulates a real user actions. It supports a multiple browser. It will be done. Advantage is it's handle a dynamic and interactive content. The limitation is it's slower than the other tools, require more resources. The scrapping Instagram or Twitter pages. API based data collection. Application program interface. So under that we have Twitter API, Facebook, Graph API, YouTube, Data API, Reddit API. We have already discussed about Twitter API and Reddit API. What is the API based data collection tools? What is the advantages? It's reliable and legal. That is one of the best advantages. It's reliable and also it's pretty much sure that is legal. So there is no privacy concern or striking concerns over here. It's a clean and structured data. Limitation, it's a rate limits. It access the restriction. The example is collecting a tweets using a hashtags. No code and low code scrapping tools. What are the no code tools? Tools that requires no programming skills. That is called no code. Popular tools are Octoparse, ParseHub, WebHub. These are the things. It's a feature. It has a graphical user interface. Point and click scrapping will be there. So graphically we can do it. So sometimes we need a programming skills to do this, but this type of scenario, just to use a graphical based, we can do this. Under this, what are the features? It's a graphical user interface. It's a point and click scrapping. What are the advantages? It's beginner friendly, quick setup. It's a limited customization, often paid. It's scrapping product prices for market analysis. What is the use of that? That we can see scrapping product prices. If all the places I am selling a particular product in particular, 100 rupees, but all the competitor, I don't know how, I can't go and ask them how much cost you are selling this product. So no one will reveal that. So this will tell you the market analysis throughout the area, what is the price they are doing, which is this we can make a strategy whether I can increase the price or decrease the price, or I can increase the start, that everything we can. Now we will come for the last portion of the quiz of this lecture 3. What is Selenium preferred for web scraping? What are the non-code scraping tools? Is a web scraping always legal? So we will see the answers. When is Selenium preferred for web scraping? And websites use a dynamic content loaded with a JavaScript. At that time, I can use a Selenium to do the web scraping. What are the no-code scraping tools? Tools that allows data extraction without writing codes. Is web scraping legal? No. Legality depends on website terms and data type and local laws. It is not that the guarantee. The company has to give a rights to the person whether you can access this or not. Whether they are not given any access, we don't have a rights to claim this. So that's all for this lecture 3. We will continue in our lecture 4. Thank you.